So this issue has been fixed. Connect while power off. Katong last na pag-try na ko ani, dili siya mo turn back on. Now they've updated it. So this one here, turn off, turn on, inig off ani, di na tani siya mo on. Only bugs sa camera. Now it's fixed. So I'm gonna return it back to how it was. Kung ano to siya, humtong when I tried to use network airplane mode off. I mean on, sayop, off. Kaya akong gamit sa gimbal. So I updated the camera. It's already updated. Let me check. Setup option version. So body is version 1.01. So yeah, na-update na yun ako. This is good enough. I'll show you the update process. I'm not sponsored anyway with Sony, just showing to you unsa akong gibuhat, but I already updated it earlier. So I'm gonna show you the exact footage pag-update na ako, and then that's it. Enjoy. Kanag sayo pa to eh. Yep, update complete. Let's check. Oh yeah. Okay, let's check the issue that we had. It was like, go on to networks and then turn off airplane mode, and then the other setting is somewhere. I kind of forgot. Here it is. This one here. So let's turn it on. Turn the camera off. So it should not turn on. Oh yes, it's fixed. So, yep.